Hello everyone, myself Falguni Solanki. Welcome to our channel. Today we will continue our session with part 2 of active and passive voice. In last lecture we have seen that present tense with active passive voice, and right now we have past tense, and we will learn how to convert active to passive and passive to active. Now present and past both have same rules. So if you are clear with the rules of present tenses in active passive voice, then there is no difficulty with past one. Let's start. Active and passive voice part 2, यानी कि first one we have already seen in last lecture. Now in past tense we can convert three type of sentence with the active and passive voice. First one is simple past, second one is past continuous, and third one is past perfect. So let's start. First one, my brother had taken breakfast before they sang. My brother had taken breakfast before they sang. Now this sentence is active voice. How can I say that this one is active voice? First, as we told that the doer of subject and doer of sentence is similar. यानी कि my brother, its sentence start with my brother and the action was taken and the action was also done by my brother. So both are similar. So that's why this sentence is active one. Now we have to convert into passive voice. First when we need that as यानी कि subject, verb and object, we have all three. Now as I told you, in most of the sentences you will get your object next to verb. So taken is your verb, so definitely breakfast is your object. Now convert into passive voice. So your object become your subject right now. So object right now in place of subject. So breakfast had remained had. There is a good thing about had is that there is no change whether you have subject or object, singular or plural, but had remained had. Then as this one is a passive sentence, you have to put been compulsory, and then taken remain taken. This also in with had and past participle. In passive voice there is a no change in had, also in this taken, because taken is already a third form. As we discussed, we have three type of form, first, second and third. And root form give, past form gave, and past participle यानी कि third form given. So object we have breakfast. We have started sentence with the object. Breakfast had been taken by my brother. So why I have put that my brother? Because here my brother, it means our subject, now it's place of object. And before this saying, this one is the other words. So do not change the sentences with the conjunction or the word before, after, when, while. Just put as it is. There is no need to change. If you want to change this sentence, is not possible, because first of all we have the subject saying that verb, but we do not have object, so we cannot convert the sentence without object into passive one. And if we have object, still we do not need to change it, because we have to change only in main sentence. There is no change in second sentence, which we have sentence with the yet, before, after, while, as, all this. Now again I have put here that only that object I have written here object, and subject I have written here subject wise, for your clarification that you will not get confused with words. So now before they sang, it's remain as it is. Look, यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने कोई चेंज नहीं किया, तो ये सेंटेंस यहाँ पे है, तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग कोई चेंज नहीं कर रहे, ये पूरा as it is ही आएगा. Now next one. In next one, the girl had not sold the pen before I went there. So this one is our sentence. Now first of all find your verb. So we have sold as a verb. Now next to verb is our object. So the pen is our object. Now let's start converting to passive one. So here T small because in the middle of the sentence, here T capital because it's the beginning of the sentence. The pen had, again we have to put not in place nearby had, then we have to write been. As I told you before that we have to put been before verb, before this main verb and after had यानी कि to be form and not. Been sold by the girl. So I have put here the girl. Before I went there, we have to write sentence as it is. Before I went there, there is no change in this sentence. We have to put as it is without any changes. Why? Because there is no need of change of this sentence, because we have to convert only in the main sentence, and we have already did. Again, the girl had not sold the pen before I went there. In passive one, the pen had not been sold by the girl before I went there. Okay. If you have a question that we can convert, like we can use this before I went there, before by, then no. Because we have here one connector, and connector it means there is a different sentence, and we have to cover only and only extra words of the first sentence on this one only. अगर यहाँ पे कोई एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड है तो हम लोग उसको बाय से पहले कवर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन बिफोर, आफ्टर, व्हेन, व्हाइल, एज के बाद कोई भी सेंटेंस आएगा तो हम लोग को उसको बाय के बाद यानी कि सब्जेक्ट के बाद ही यहाँ पे मेंशन करना होता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज Charmy had broken the glass when I went outside. Now here Charmy is subject, broken is verb, and the glass is object. So the glass had been broken by Charmy when I went outside. So again when I went outside is extra word, means यानी कि next sentence यानी कि different sentence. So whatever we have to change in the only first sentence, Charmy had broken the glass. So the glass had been broken by Charmy, change, and when I went outside is remain as it is, there is no change in. तो यहाँ पे द ग्लास ऑब्जेक्ट है, यहाँ पे वो प्लेस लेगा सब्जेक्ट की. हैड तो एज इट इज़ रहेगा, पैसिव सेंटेंस है तो बीन डेफिनेटली इसमें आएगा. ब्रोकन रिमेन ब्रोकन, एंड जो पूरा एक्शन है बाय चार्मी तो हम लोगों ने लिखा बाय चार्मी, एंड व्हेन आई वेंट आउटसाइड रिमेन एज इट इज. नाउ इन फोर्थ वन, आफ्टर she had completed cooking, she went out. After she had completed cooking, she went out. So यहाँ पे मैंने बिगिनिंग में ही आफ्टर लिया है, बट आफ्टर सी हैड, तो सी यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट है, completed वर्ब है, कुकिंग ऑब्जेक्ट है, सी वेंट आउट सेकेंड सेंटेंस है. तो whenever we change in this sentence, after remain after. Now cooking is a object, so cooking had been completed by, she converted into her, comma, she went out. यहाँ पे कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. आफ्टर को मैंने आफ्टर ही लिखा है, यहाँ पे भी कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. इट्स रिमेन एज इट इज बिकॉज वी हैव टू ओनली चेंज द सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट एंड दी वी हैव टू पुट बीन एंड वर्ब ऑलवेज इन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. नाउ इन फिफ्थ वन, she had advised me to be careful. See subject, advise verb, me object, to be careful. Now to be careful in this, no change in this sentence, it remain as it is. So me convert into I because it's take place of subject. So I had been advised by, now she convert into her because now she in place of object. So by her to be careful. I had been advised by her to be careful. You can also write like this, that I had been advised to be careful by her. Both sentences are correct. So these 5 sentences belong to past perfect tense. There is no need of identify the tense, but right now at least you know that about like changes in tenses or active and passive. And second thing, that sometimes there is 1 marks question for you in the examination also to identify the tense. So it will help you to score that 1 marks if you have clear idea with the tenses also. यानी कि sentence form gives you exact idea of tense. Next one is form, यानी कि formation of sentence of past perfect tense in active and passive voice. So in active we have subject, then had, past participle, object, and I have done plus dot dot dot. It means there will be keywords, extra words we have. It's not always possible we have, but sometimes it will be or sometimes not. Now in passive voice this object take place here, but here in bracket I have also written subject because the object are here right now definitely, but in place of subject. That's why I have written subject, so you will not mislead. Then here had remain had, we have to introduce been. Past participle remain past participle. Past participle यानी कि third form of the verb, like take, took and taken. So taken is a third form. Then by, and here this subject right now in place of object. यहाँ पे subject तो है, मैंने यहाँ पे subject ही लिखा है, but वो place कौन सी है अभी, object की है, तो हमारा यहाँ पे object होगा, लेकिन आपकी इजीनेस के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे subject लिखा हुआ है. Now in sixth one, I was not eating dahi puri there. Now I was not eating dahi puri there. So you definitely there is a change of sentences of something. यहाँ पे आपको पहले previous sentence में had था, taken like past participle था, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है, यहाँ तो was and eating है. It means this tense is past continuous tense, कि जहाँ पे past के कोई time पे कोई एक्शन हो रही थी, उस टाइम वो एक्शन रनिंग थी, तो उस दिखाने के लिए हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं. लाइक समवन आस्क यू कल दोपहर को आप क्या कर रहे थे, एग्जैक्ट क्या कर रहे थे, तो यू सेइंग आई वाज रीडिंग फिजिक्स, और आई वाज डूइंग माय होमवर्क, आई वाज स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद माय ब्रदर एंड व्हाटएवर, मींस व्हाटएवर एक्शन यू हैव डन यू प्रीफर टू योर फ्रेंड और समवन हु आस्क यू. सो आई वॉज नॉट ईटिंग दही पूरी देयर, तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, हम लोगों ने बोथ सेंटेंसेस यानी कि अफर्मेटिव एंड नेगेटिव एक साथ ही यूज़ किए हैं यहाँ पे. सो वर्ब हमारा ईटिंग है, तो दही पूरी हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट हुआ. दही पूरी वॉज, बिकॉज दही पूरी तो बहुत सारी पूरी होते हैं, नो डाउट इन प्लेट में होती है, लेकिन हम लोगों को यहाँ पे एक प्लेट को रिफर कर रहे हैं, यानी कि यहाँ पे सिर्फ सिंगल नाउन है. सो दही पूरी वॉज नॉट being eaten by, I convert into me, there. यहाँ पे there नहीं है, जो भी वर्ड होगा वो लास्ट में आएगा, ठीक है. नाउ why being, because we have to maintain this sentence, there is no change of meaning of the sentence. So as I told you in the last lecture that here we have the verb be, and be यानी कि occur or happen. So I convert this ate into eaten, but here ing remain, and I use this ing with be, and it's converted into being. So in passive voice also is give the hint of past continuous tense. भले वो पैसिव वॉइस में चला गया हो, लेकिन वो फिर भी बता रहा है कि मैं कौन सा टेंस हूँ, मेरा ओरिजिनल फॉर्म क्या है, तो मैं ओरिजिनली पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस हूँ. नाउ इन सेवेंथ वन, अनीसा वॉज राइटिंग द स्कोर ऑफ द बैट्समैन. So Anisa was writing the score of the batsman. Here Anisa is subject and the score of batsman is object. Now if we convert into passive voice, we have to use the whole word the score of the batsman, because the score of the batsman is a full like one sentence, वो one word है, one phrase है, पूरा हमको वहाँ पे उसको use करना पड़ेगा. The score of the batsman was being written by Anisa. जो यहाँ पे पूरा काम है स्कोर लिखने का वो एक ही है. दैट्स वाई वॉज बींग रिटन, राइट कन्वर्ट इनटू रिटन बाय अनीसा. स्टूडेंट्स वी मस्ट नो द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ रूट वर्ब, यानी कि राइटिंग है, यानी कि राइट टू मेन वर्ब हुआ, तो वी मस्ट नो द सेकेंड एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द राइट, रोट एंड रिटन. क्यों पता होना चाहिए, तो ही हम यहाँ पे हम लोग परफेक्टली लिख पाएंगे. तो परफेक्टली नहीं लिख पाए, डेफिनेटली देयर वी हैव टू लूज 1 marks और 2 marks in examination also. If you will practice and do this sentence again and again, definitely this verb form is also set in your mind, and then you can usually convert into passive one or inactive one. Now, in 8.1, the policeman was guiding local owner at the crossroads. Now, here some action was done by the policeman. A policeman is subject. Guiding is a verb and local owner is the object. At crossroad is extra word. So now it's time to convert into passive voice. तो हम लोग वर्ब के बाजू वाला जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको पिक करेंगे. सो लोकल ओनर यहाँ पे सिंगुलर फॉर्म में है, तो हम लोगों ने ना उसको ऑब्जेक्ट बना लिया, सॉरी हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको सब्जेक्ट बना दिया. लोकल ओनर यानी कि सिंगल है, सो डेफिनेटली वी हैव टू यूज वॉज. एज वी नो सिंगुलर फॉर्म यानी कि वॉज एंड प्लूरल फॉर्म यानी कि वर. सो आई हैव यूज हियर वॉज बिकॉज देयर इज ओनली सिंगल पर्सन. So local owner was, now guiding converted into being guided at the crossroad by a policeman. समझ में आ रहा है? A policeman was guiding local owner at the crossroads. So local owner was being guided at the crossroad by a policeman. यहाँ पे was guiding convert into was being guided. एक दिमाग में एक चीज़ बिठा लो कि वॉट एवर द टेंस विल बी, आपके पास कोई भी टेंस हो, प्रेजेंट हो, पास्ट हो, फ्यूचर हो, उसका भी कोई भी सब टेंस हो, बट योर इन पैसिव वॉइस योर वर्ब ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज इन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल यानी कि थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. नाउ इन 9th one, the priest was not distributing the gifts on 25th December. सो यहाँ पर नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, सो हम लोग को सिर्फ एक्टिव का पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इज अ वर्ब एंड द गिफ्ट्स ऑब्जेक्ट. द गिफ्ट्स वर, वाई? बिकॉज देयर इज नॉट ओनली वन, देयर इज मोर देन वन, बिकॉज योर प्लूरल फॉर्म इज दैट. सो द गिफ्ट्स वर. नाउ दिस गिव्स इन प्लेस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट, चलो यहाँ पे चला गया, was का वर हुआ, नॉट रिमेन नॉट, एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग कन्वर्ट इनटू बीइंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑन 25th December by the priest. जो एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स थे हम लोगों ने उसको वापस अंदर ले लिए हैं बिफोर बाय, जैसे कि द गिफ्ट्स वर नॉट बीइंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑन 25th December by the priest. Okay. Now next sentence of past continuous tense is the captain was explaining the views of the new technique. The captain was explaining the views of new technique, and explaining is verb, so definitely the view of the new technique is whole our object. So when we convert into passive voice, the view of new technique was, because यहाँ पे views नहीं है, only view है, so new technique was being explained by the captain when the coach entered. So when the coach entered, because when, while, before, after, नो चेंज. सो हम लोगों को वो सेंटेंस एज इट इज़ लिखना है. वैसे भी एंटर के बाद हमारे पास कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, तो पैसिव में तो वैसे भी नहीं जाने वाला वो. फिर भी हम लोगों को व्हेन वाइल वाला कोई भी सेंटेंस को कन्वर्ट नहीं करना है. ओनली वी हैव टू चेंज वॉट एवर वी वांट टू चेंज इन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ओनली. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन हम लोग देखेंगे सेंटेंस फॉर्म ऑफ एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वॉइस विथ past continuous tense. So you have subject, then to be, was and were, plus verb with verb, continuous tense definitely ing, plus object plus dot dot dot, यानी कि it will be extra word or not. In passive one we have object, then was were plus being plus verb, past participle plus subject and object. Subject now place of object and dot dot dot. तो you do not confuse students with this object and subject, क्योंकि जो object है हमारा वो object तो है ही, पर किसकी प्लेस पे जाएगा? सब्जेक्ट भी प्लेस पे जाएगा. तो सेम थिंग यहाँ पे जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है ये वाला वो जाएगा तो ऑब्जेक्ट की प्लेस पर. आपको कन्फ्यूजन ना हो इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट लिखा हुआ है. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज आई सॉ एन एक्सीडेंट यस्टरडे. नाउ आई सब्जेक्ट, सॉ वर्ब एंड एक्सीडेंट इज ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट was seen, sorry, an accident was seen by me. Chalo, there is a new type of sentence, and this sentence belong to simply past tense. Like I saw is a second form, yani ki see, saw, seen. So here we have second form. Now we have to convert this sentence into passive one. So an accident is our object, जो यहाँ पे subject का काम करेगा. An accident was क्यों लिखा है यहाँ पे? तो was है ही नहीं. Why there is a need of was? Because we do not have any to be form in simple past tense, so we need to take help of was and were in passive voice. Why? Because अगर मैंने यहाँ पे was नहीं लिखा तो वो क्या समझ में आएगा? लाइक कौन सा टेंस था ये, कुछ समझ में आएगा? तो यहाँ पे was इनका मतलब हो रहा है कि ये सेंटेंस पैसिव में, फिर भी ये सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का है. So an accident was seen by me because I convert into me. Like he convert into him, she, her, they, them, we, us. यहाँ पे इस तरह से कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा जब वो ऑब्जेक्ट की प्लेस में जाएगा तब. Now in 12th one, Jenny broke the window. Now the window is object, so window was broken by Jenny. So this one is your passive. The window was broken by Jenny. Now in 13th one, she did not buy a new chessboard. Now अगर हम लोग इस सेंटेंस को पैसिव में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो a new chessboard is our object. So new chessboard was, because did, now did की जगह कौन लेगा? Was. And the chessboard यानी कि सिंगल थिंग है, so also was. Not remain not, by convert into bought, by C convert into her. Why there is by convert into bought? Because this one is simple past tense. As we know, whenever we have negative and interrogative sentence did, we have to use root verb with did, because did itself say that I am simple past. So there is no need of second verb refer as simple past. But in this sentence, in passive one, we have used was and was with. Did यहाँ पे remove हो रहा है, so definitely by convert into bought, and bought now indicate that this one is was bought, indicate it's a simple past tense sentence. समझ में आ रहा है? आपको सिर्फ आइडेंटिफाई कर टेंस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेंस आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको वहाँ पे टू बी फॉर्म और रखना होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है पूरे मार्क्स स्कोर करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट स्टेप होता है आपको सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट को चेंज करना है. आपने वो चेंज कर दिया यहाँ पे, ये रहा आपका ऑब्जेक्ट, यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट है, आपने वो भी चेंज कर लिया. बिकॉज आप सेंटेंस कन्वर्ट करो उसके पहले आपको दिमाग में कौन सी कार्य क्लियर करनी है. सेंटेंस आइडेंटिफाई करना है, सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट को रिप्लेस करना है, ऑब्जेक्ट को आपको चूज़ करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद रिप्लेस करोगे आप. फिर आप सेंटेंस एक फ्रेम कर लोगे दिमाग में, तो चलो ये सेंटेंस इस टाइप का आएगा. उसके बाद आपको आपकी कॉपी में यानी कि आपके आंसर में लिखना. Now in 14th one, my grandma told me stories. So my grandma told me stories. We have two objects. Object number one, me, and object number two, stories. In all the sentences, we do not have the two objects. In rare sentences, we have two. So that time we can choose anyone as our object. There is no rule that you have to use only one. But sentence आपको एक ही लिखना है. अब दो में से कोई भी object choose कर सकते हो. So me convert into I. So I with always was. So I was told stories. जो आपको extra words है वो भी by से पहले cover करने लेने हैं यहाँ पे. So I was told stories by my grandma. Now I use stories as my object. So stories were. Why were? Because it's not a single story. There is a more than one stories. So that's why stories were told to me by my grandmother. Whenever we have like pronoun me, us before this verb, we have include it with to. To me by my grandma. So this one from object 1 and this one from object 2. Now in next sentence, in 15th one, so our 15th sentence is that the doctor operated the patients. Now the patients were operated by the doctor, because there is not only one but more, because patients definitely it's plural one and more than one. So the patients were operated by the doctor. तो doctor यहाँ पे जो subject है, now in place of object, the patient जो object था now place of subject. Now let's see the active and passive form of past, simple past tense. So in active form we have subject, then verb, यानी कि in past form, then object and then extra words if we have. In passive one, now our object in take place of subject, then was and were according to our new subject. Then यहाँ पे compulsory we have to put past participle, then it will be by और उसके बाद आएगा subject and subject जो now in place of आएगा object. If we have not in this sentence, so in active voice we have did plus not, and here there will be a root form. In the same way in passive one there is no change, only there is a change of not. We have to put was and were, and past participle जो है उनके बीच क्या रखना होगा, not को use करना होगा. Now let's see the type of verb. In type of verb we have three type of verb. First one is regular, second one is irregular, and third one is same form. And we have also three type of form like first, second and third, यानी कि root verb, past verb and past participle. Now how can we recognize regular, irregular? So whenever we have word like play, played, played, विजिट विजिट विजिटेड, यानी कि जब भी हम लोग सिर्फ डी और ईडी का यूज़ करके उस सेंटेंस को मीन्स इन वर्ड को कन्वर्ट करते हैं सेकेंड और थर्ड फॉर्म में, तो इट्स नोन एज अ रेगुलर फॉर्म। और जो हमारा इरेगुलर फॉर्म है, इट्स कम्प्लीटली कम्स विथ अ न्यू स्पेल एंड न्यू प्रोनाउंसिएशन लाइक गिव गिवन गिवन, बाय बॉट बॉट, take took taken, like this. And the third one is same form, no change, put put put, hurt hurt hurt, cast cast cast, यानी कि you have to use in whether in present यानी कि whether in root verb, second form यानी कि past form and third form यानी कि past participle, there is no change, it remain as it is, so this is known as the same form. Okay students, so this one is our few of the sentences of active to passive voice. Now we convert passive to active in our next part of this active and passive voice part 2. We will see that how to convert passive sentence into active one, and we will also see some practice sentences, so it will help you that whatever you have learned you need more practice or not. Okay students, till then just keep watching our channel, and thank you.